Okay, another day, another cube. This is a Cube AIM. I bought this from like a police auction. And yeah, it's one of those bikes that was left abandoned against the railings as far as I can work out, because the chain was really rusty. It was covered in dust. It hasn't done that much mileage. The tyres are pretty much the original tyres that are on it. The grips are not original though. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's abandoned, and that's where they cut the chain off that was originally locked against it. So yeah, it's an abandoned bike rescue essentially. So what have we got on this thing then? Shimano Altus drivetrain, 3x9, which is, you know, pretty common these days. Not high end like it used to be. It's a pretty basic drivetrain, but it gets the job done. We have a SR Suntour XCR front fork with the lockout on the handlebars. These are grease lubricated and the seals don't do anything. And basically what happens is all the oil goes to the bottom, the water gets in there, they seize solid, they're not seized but they're not far off. I have to take these apart, give them a clean, put them all back together. They do steel work, damper steel works, lockout steel works, so that's cool. It's like a gas cartridge, a bit like what you get in an office chair. I'll take these stickers off and probably just paint them black, repaint the lowers. It's got an 1/8" steer tube on here, or I believe it has, anyway, I've not checked but I'm pretty certain it is an 1/8" only. It's not 1.5 tapered or anything like that. It's a straight 1/8". Shimano Livio derailleur on the front, Shimano Altus crankset, Shimano dual rear derailleur. We have a, I think that's a 42, no, what size tooth is that, 36? 36 tooth. 36 tooth 3611 rear cassette. It's got DT Swiss wheels on it, which are pretty nice, 29-inch wheels. It has rack mounts for, you know, those who want to have a rack on their bike. And overall, it won't be a bad bike once it's been cleaned up. Everything functions, despite the fact the chain was rusty. All the gears change. The only thing that's totally stuffed is the front brake. And there is no oil in the master cylinder either, so it's not worth trying to fix that. I'm pretty sure it will leak the second you even try and bleed the system. And I have another one lying around anyway, be it at Mum's house. Still got the original reflectors on here. There was something here, don't know what. It's got a bell. Oh, that's the bell, the rubber for the bell. It's got these Clark's grips on here. Not a bad bike for someone. I'll just give it a paint and touch in and clean it up a little bit. That concludes this video.